Introducing the Offbeat RIPJAW wireless gaming mouse, a perfect blend of performance and convenience. Equipped with 2.4 GHz wireless technology, the Offbeat RIPJAW ensures a stable and lag-free connection for seamless gaming and everyday use. Comes with a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, offering up to 50 hours of use on a single charge. Includes a charging cable for convenience. Features silent click buttons, ensuring quiet operation without compromising on responsiveness, perfect for both gaming and office environments. Boasts 7D buttons, including programmable options, providing enhanced control and customization for gaming enthusiasts. Allows you to switch between DPI levels of 1600, 2400, and 3200, offering precision and speed for different tasks and gaming preferences. Weighing only 125 grams and designed ergonomically, it ensures a comfortable grip for extended use without fatigue. Works seamlessly with PCs, laptops, smart TVs, and Macs, making it a versatile choice for various devices and operating systems. Measuring 14 x 7 x 4.1 centimeters, it is sleek and compact, making it easy to carry and use on the go. Crafted from durable materials, the mouse is built to withstand intense gaming sessions and everyday wear and tear. Comes with a wireless nano receiver, charging cable, and a user manual, ensuring you have everything you need to get started. At just 999 rupees, the Offbeat RIPJAW offers premium features at an affordable price, making it a popular choice for gamers and professionals alike. Rated 4.2 out of 5 stars by over 7,000 users, reflecting its reliability and performance. The Offbeat RIPJAW wireless gaming mouse is an excellent choice for gamers and everyday users, offering a seamless and versatile experience at an affordable price of 999 rupees. Compatible with PCs, laptops, smart TVs, and Macs, the RIPJAW is a reliable and feature-packed option, backed by a 4.2 star rating from thousands of satisfied users. The product link is in the description below, so you can check it out and buy it directly from Amazon. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Brand Tech Compare for more amazing gadget reviews and comparisons.